What happened? It was just a dream. I was still living in the west side of Mexico, in the town of Puerto Vallarta. But we were getting ready to head out somewhere again. So I came up to the top floor here. Sometimes in the mornings I come up here and go out on the balcony, and sometimes there's a nice sailboat going by. So I sit here and look at the sailboats. But I had this dream that I could fly. I've had the same dream since I grew up in Sweden many years ago. And it feels so real. It's just like it's happening, you know? I really believe that I'm flying. I liked my life here. I had the freedom to do the things I wanted to do. And I also enjoyed waking up to the nice boats in the Marina of the town. Oh, sometimes I start sneezing when it's too bright. So in the past weeks we have been traveling around a bit here in Puerto Vallarta and the surrounding areas. Soon we're actually also gonna go to some really famous towns. Tequila, Mascoda and San Sebastian, which are known to be Pueblo Magicos. And here in Mexico, I think there are 300 towns that are considered to be Pueblo Magicos. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but it means that it has some kind of importance or something unique about the town. I've been to a few. It's so nice to sit here and look at the boats in the sunshine. Hello! Now we're gonna see if Maria is awake. I think we're gonna go to the gym and also do some really fun stuff later today in this video, so you have to watch the whole video, my friend. Hello, Maria. Maria. When we don't travel, we sit here and edit videos. We have also been going to the gym and cooking some food here. So today we're gonna be going to the gym and also making some really good food and also going out to the swimming pool and do some pool tricks and convince Maria to also do a little bit of a pool trick. It's already 12:23. You're gonna go straight to the lunch and the milk. So I've been eating so much pasta and drinking so much milk now, and we're almost ready to go to the gym. So we're almost about to head over to the gym, but I'm looking more forward to jumping into the swimming pool. And also next week when we're gonna start traveling again. But I wanted to make this video to document also how I'm living here in this place. It's nice to have, but not only the travel destinations. We have been here for a while, but I haven't made so many videos from the apartment here and what I've been doing. So I wanted to also document that. I think it's nice to document your life. So we have some bad news actually. The gym is closing at 2 today, and it's already, what time is it? 1?
Almost 1:30.
I came up here again and I was gonna check the weather, and I happened to close the door, so now we can't get in. And I knocked on it to see if Maria can open, but she's on the first floor and she's not hearing the knocks. And I tried to call her. So I'm stuck here on the balcony now. I was just gonna check the weather. I was thinking I could climb down there to the balcony in the second floor and then to the first floor. Oh, I've been knocking for a bit now, but Maria can't hear me. Yeah, I have to climb down here now. Oh, I'm sitting here now in the... Oh, I climbed down. Whew. Oh, maybe she can hear me from here, or do I have to maybe jump to the grass? Seems like Maria can't hear me either, so I'm gonna have to probably climb down to the bottom floor. Now I'm on my way down. Oh, I'm down now, finally. Oh, I'm sweaty. Maria saved me. Otherwise I wouldn't have been able to get in. I'm gonna get my bottle of milk and then we're gonna be heading out to the pool and doing a workout and also jumping in. Oh, it's finally time again, my friends, to head out to the swimming pool. So I've been usually going to this pool right here, but today we're going to the second pool a bit further down here in the Marina of Puerto Vallarta. So I'm here by the pool now, but we have some pool trick blockers here on both sides of the swimming pool. That's not good. So nice to come out here to the swimming pool. I've been coming out here a lot actually lately, and I was thinking that it's been so nice in the past years. I have been able to have more freedom in my life and travel around, and that's what I wanted to do. And it feels good when I look back on the years and realize that I did what I actually wanted to do in life. I wanted to have more freedom to travel around and see the world, and I'm really happy that I achieved that and I actually did it. But I'm starting to think that maybe I should go back to Sweden at some point and maybe live there, but I hate the cold weather in Sweden. It's so bad. It gets cold for several months out of the year. Here it's so good. You can fry all year here in Mexico. Fry, fry, fry. And I actually haven't seen my parents all that much in the recent years, so I think I should go back to Sweden and live there for some time so I can spend more time with my family. Time goes by so quickly in life. Before we know it, several years already passed by, and I think we just wonder what happened to the years. I think it's the same for everybody. The years thunder by like thunder. The years thunder by like thunder, my friends. So that's what we have to do. Pool tricks. We're gonna do some brand new pool tricks today. We just have to think a bit what we're gonna do. Something from the bridge here for sure. Oh, look who's coming. Hi, Maria has arrived.
I am here.
Yes.
We're gonna do a workout, right?
Yeah, we are gonna do a workout.
Okay.
You're gonna be the fitness leader.
Really?
Yeah, if you want. Today is the day where we're gonna see Maria do a pool trick. So we're gonna do a little workout before we jump in and perform some pool tricks. People are staring.
They're staring at us.
They're staring because they're pool trick blockers. So we have to go back to the first pool to do some pull-ups there and then come back to the big swimming pool. 10 sets of pull-ups.
Yeah.
Now the workout master is gonna tell us more what to do. 10 sets of pull-ups. Now we're back to the big pool here. Gonna do a bunch of more sit-ups and push-ups. So we're gonna be doing 50, 30, 20 and then 10 push-ups. So I did my 50 push-ups, rested for a bit, and now I'm doing 30. I think 9, 10, or maybe even less, I don't know. Hold again. Very easy to hold. The hold, I mean, not hold. So we finished push-ups, and I brought some milk here. I usually drink some milk when I go and work out. It's really good to drink milk. So we're gonna drink some milk and then do some lunches, I think, and then jump in and cool off. We're gonna do some sit-ups. 300 sit-ups.
Yeah.
It's really hot here.
Yes, we have to protect our skin, so we have to spend time in the shade. But
what about frying?
no frying today.
Maria does not like to fry.
I do not.
I like to fry.
Yeah, I like to find the shady areas.
Do you like doing pool tricks also?
I do. I haven't gotten a chance to do any yet.
Now it's finally time for the pool tricks. Pool tricks time. So first we're gonna be walking on our hands over to the bridge, and then we're gonna do a handstand on the bridge and do a flip into the water. Now, are you ready for the handstand backflip? Now, it's time for, what is it time for?
Pool trick by Maria.
Maria. Is she gonna do a flip from the bridge or not? That's the question. Do it! I'm gonna come in too now and jump in.
Okay.
I think sunshine and swimming is the cure to all kind of depression and sadness. All you have to do is go swimming and then go out in the sun, fry a bit, pool tricks, as I said before, cool off. Now, my friends, it's time to check the bottom of the swimming pool. It's such a cool area here with all the boats and the mountains in the background. So cool. Sometimes I come out here and I just look at the boats. Also from the balcony this morning when I was looking at the sailboats. But we have crocodiles in here, so you have to be really careful. One guy was cleaning a boat over here not long ago, and I heard his toe or something was taken by the crocodile. Or maybe it was the foot, I don't know. Attempt number 12. Oh yeah, here we have a pool trickster coming, yay! Oh, what a good day, but now we have to go in and make some more pasta and meat maybe and drink some milk. It's so dark. Now we're gonna go and eat. Yay! Maria has been cooking for me a lot, but we're gonna go and have dinner today at the hotel over here. They have a buffet. Oh, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. We're gonna eat the buffet.
It's kind of dangerous though when you go to a buffet hungry, but obviously like it's a buffet.
They have a bunch of salad at this place where we're going, so you're gonna like it. We walked through the Marina again, and I really like the atmosphere here. It's motivational, seeing the big boats, and it makes me believe that we can achieve our dreams in life.
Yeah, for sure. This is good.
Marina now, and I'm so happy to get all this food. The buffet, 220 pesos, $10. I've been here before when I lived here in this hotel, or I stayed here. So I come back to the Flamingo Hotel here in Puerto Vallarta, right by the boat.
One plate.
One plate,
Yeah,
me too.
Go back for another plate.
Double plates for Maria. Got my second plate now. I also feel a bit fried from earlier when we were at the pool for so long. So nice. But oh, so good the food also. Here is my second plate. Nom nom nom. Oh, I feel like I swallowed a bowling ball. Third plate for Maria. That was so satisfying. Now,
Oh, I had 3 plates of food and like one dessert.
oh, she ate too much. Don't fall asleep for too long now. We had to take a nap now. It was a rough day, no.
It was not rough.
It was not a rough day. Now we're gonna have a little bit of a snack, some popcorn. Popcorn. Oh,
What did you do?
oh no problem. One third of a cup. We're gonna go to Mascoda, San Sebastian tequila, and maybe Guadalajara. Oh,
I'll come eat it out of you.
Now it's 12:27 in the evening, so we're gonna end this video and go to bed. And soon we're gonna be going to some really famous places around here in this area of Mexico. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave the video a thumbs up, and post a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. And also, before I go, I would like to mention the winner of 1 week's free stay in Bucerias. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm gonna give away 1 week's free stay. I was scrolling here on my computer and stopped on a comment. Eric Leduc, you are the winner of 1 week's free stay. So you can send me an email here and I will send you instructions on how you can get your week's free stay.